What is going on, guys? It's Gris Productions. Today I'm going to tell you how you can wire up a fire alarm without a fire alarm control panel. Let's get started. There are a few key details. If your alarm has pigtails, what you're going to want to use are wiring nuts. You're going to want to use these. It does not matter if they are winged or not. And another thing to be aware of is make sure that your wire is 14 gauge or higher, and make sure it supports DC voltage. Without further ado, let's wire this thing up. So for the power supply, you can just stick 3 9-volts together. Most people do say this on their videos, but it's not the point. But that is what you do for your power supply. It may be about 3 volts higher, but that's fine as it won't kill your alarm. But let's get started. So right here what we got is a pretty obvious fire alarm system sensor P2R. This is the wiring mechanism. So this end of line resistor is just here. You can add one if you want to, just like that. But first, what we're going to do is install our negative wire in the first terminal. As we can see, we officially have the wire in. So now what you're going to want to do is tighten the terminal. And now what you can do is grab your positive okay, bam. Now we have that one in. Now, what we're going to want to do is tighten it some more. So now, what we can do is snap this in and test it. So what you're going to want to do next is identify this. So this plus, the plus is going to be attached to your red wire. And this blank side is what's probably going to be your negative. However, if you have Energizer, it will identify that this is the negative side. Okay, guys, so now we're going to test it. If you have epilepsy, do not watch this, please. Okay, so now we see that it's wired up. Now I'm going to show you a different device that doesn't really have this back side to it. I think we're going to go with the bell. So the bell is pretty much the same. This is a 2-wire. But this does not have the back mounting thing like the P2R does. This one shows you your black goes into this terminal and your positive goes into this terminal. So I'm just going to do a quick edit with it already wired in. Bam, now we have it wired. Also excuse the noise for the washer. Now as we know this is probably going to work, we still want to test it, right? Yeah, that's what we want to do. So let's see. Okay, yes, as we see, the bell works. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope that it helped out well. But that is how you wire up 2 devices without a fire alarm control panel. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.